Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we have another great product from a vendor. It's a free product. It's a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall we? It is a bed rail for people who need maybe some help getting out of bed for whatever reason that might be. I know that sometimes, so we live full-time in an RV. RVs get a little cramped, a little crowded. I mean, our bed doesn't have a lot of room on either side of it. So you don't get to walk along the side of our bed. So you have to really engage your core to get out of there. Well, I might be a little bit bigger guy, and I may not have the best of core. So I've had one of these before, and I like putting one of these things right on the side of the bed over here that I can grab onto and pull myself out of this bed. You know, if you happen to be maybe an older person and you need some stability getting out of bed, this would be great for that. So let's put this thing together and see what we got. It comes with some great instructions. So we're just gonna pull this all out of the plastic. First off, and lay them out, make sure we have all the parts. It's gonna drive my wife crazy because she loves to put these things together, but I get to, so you just stay right there behind that camera. And go like this with it. We're gonna put that in the first one. That'll make it for a nice tall rail.
Because we actually have a very tall mattress.
We do have a very tall mattress. Yes. Okay, and while I've got this just hanging out here like this, I'm going to take this little guy here and put this on because I know that's where it goes. This is you can put your magazines, your remote controls, any medications that you have in here. So it just simply clicks in these right here. Right here, and there's little straps down below to keep it tight, like that. And then you can put whatever you want to in there. Nice. And on the back side, there's another pad, you know, for magazines or whatever else you like there. So then I put these on here. So just put those like that. Put that down like that. Then gonna put this final piece on here. These are tight, which is good. That means it's good and solid. The end product will be good and solid. And you just push those balls in and click it down for however wide the bed is. Make sure it locks. There we go. It's all locked in. So now you have your bed piece, just like that. So there's a few ways that you can manage this. So a lot of times when you have one of these and you have it tucked under the bed, this will slide out when you put weight on it. So there's a few ways that they have come up with to attach this so that won't happen. So I'll show you what happens. I'm going to put this underneath the bed. So when I get up in the morning, and this may not happen because this is really a long, but if I put a lot of weight on this, actually this one's very good. This one's actually very good. But if you put a lot of weight on this, sometimes it will slide out on some beds. This one's actually really good. I give it credit because it's so long under this bed that it is not sliding. But sometimes these would slide out. So how they've given you some options. Two, you can take these clamps, and there's a board underneath our bed, and you can just go across the pipes and screw these down on the pipes, and then this would not be able to move. Okay? Or alternatively, you can take this strap and this cross member that's right here going across underneath this bed, and you can strap that to the board all the way across the board and cinch it down so that it won't slide out. Great things. So that, my friends, is the bed rail, and I will have to tell you, I'm very impressed with how strong this is, even without my weight on here, that is not moving anywhere. So if you're a person who needs a little extra support getting in and out of bed, and I would actually tell you, if you're an RV person, there's a lot of us older folks in RVs that have this kind of bed, and I know you know what I'm talking about. If you have a core like mine, this little handle here can help you get out of bed. So why not make life easier? Go out, and get yourself a bed rail. You saw how easy that was to do.